One final note, this fall in October and November and September, October, and November, I have a number of different speaking engagements that I'm involved in. I'm going to be at the Aircraft IT Conference on September 13th and 14th, and I'll be speaking at 4:15 Eastern time, where I'll be talking about blockchain and aviation. If you're going to be there at the conference, join us. I think you would really benefit from learning more in person. I'll be there. You can ask questions, and we'll learn more together about blockchain and aviation. And then I have a couple of webinars that I'm hosting, and I have another conference that I'm doing in October. So we are not stopping here. We are continuing to share knowledge and information about blockchain and aviation. Join us in this journey as we go forward. And I'm so happy that you've been able to be part of this. Gabe, thanks again. And everybody watching here today, fair winds and following seas. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in our final episode on Friday. Don't miss it. Have a great day. Bye.